In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove banners from Instagram profile. So first of all, open the Instagram application. You can see over here I've opened it. So if you want to remove the banners from your profile, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. You can see over here right now in my profile, I'm being able to see the Facebook banner. Likewise, you might be able to see the banner of Threads or any other platform. So if you want to remove the banner, tap on this option, edit profile, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit the profile information. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for banners. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the banners on your profile over here. What you have to do is tap on the cross icon right next to the banner that you would like to remove. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular banner will be removed. Now you can simply go back. Now in your profile, you'll no longer be able to see the banner. So that is how you remove banners from Instagram profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.